Medical pedicure is aesthetic and therapeutic foot care. That's going to treat the aesthetic part of the foot and make it to look beautiful, and also relieve pain when it comes with corns, callus, ingrown nails. My name is Marcela Correa. I'm a medical nail technician. I love feet and I love to transform people's feet. I want them to take off the shoes in front of me without any shame, without any concern about that I will make faces or I will laugh about them. This is my glasses. This is my heavy duty ones. With this one, I don't miss a thing. You know, I'm Miss Perfectionist. Today we're gonna do a pedicure for this gentleman. He has nail fungus from what I see, and probably some trauma also on the nails. When it's severe cases, sometimes takes longer, but most of the time 9 months to 1 year is what it needs to grow a healthy nail. He's in good hands. He's gonna be fine. I'm gonna start disinfecting your feet, okay? This machine has a very good function. It's like a drill for the nails, and this one we use it to shape and smooth the nails. A lot of times older people have thicker nails because of the bad circulation, and sometimes they have medical conditions they don't even know. This little tool is going to clean around the nail, okay? I'm going to use some cuticle oil now also to make it softer, so when I work doesn't bother you. I don't cut cuticles, so using these little drill bits helped me a lot to make the nails to look perfect without cutting the cuticles. So for him was basically bringing down all the nails to the point that they look natural and they can be treated. Now I'm going to switch to the other foot. In the meantime, this one is going to get hydrated. This is a drill that we use it for the bottom of the foot with different sandpapers, with the coarse one and the soft one, to remove the dead skin. So this one here is the lipo. This one here I use to remove the dead skin with the foot file, so that way it doesn't scratch the skin when you file it. Always hydrating the skin. He didn't have severe callus on his foot. The whole bottom of the foot cannot have callus. It's like very rare that you see callus on the whole bottom. It will be more like local spots, and he don't walk as much, so I couldn't find any callus for him. It was more dry skin buildup. She is a runner, so she probably got traumas on the nails from running. And also she has nail fungus. I'm gonna cover the big toe because it's the nail I'm gonna do more work on it. I don't need the nail wet. Yeah, the thickness on the nail most of the time is moist from the shower. If you cover them when you shower, that thickness is gonna go down a lot. Always follow the cracks. You see those lines that you have here? Don't do this. Okay. When you do this, you open and close, you open and close. You never close a crack. If you follow the crack, they disappear. She came with water damage on the nail, so in her case in particular, I want to remove that water damage. I want to restore the nail to be attached to the bed, so that way the nail can grow healthy. I basically do nail restoration for people who are willing to treat their nails. If they're going to put KeryFlex, that is the nail restoration, I want to do follow-up every 3 or 4 weeks with them to see that the nail is getting healthier and not affected in any other way. It's going to look so natural that you can paint it. I don't paint, but you can paint at home if you want it, and nobody can tell that this is a prosthetic nail, because it's going to look the same as the other nail, or very close to it. With KeryFlex is flexible, bends like your own nails. It's elastic, so that helps to heal the nail and prevent damaging the nail. The most important thing I think for people to know about their feet is keeping them dry, clean their shoes, and keeping the nails shorter than the toes. Anyone can get it done. It's not only for callus and corn, for maintenance. This is like going to the dentist. You go every 3-6 months to avoid build-up, cavities, and all of those things. You come to me, I do the same thing for your feet. I love to make people feel happy about their feet. I want them to go home and touch their feet and think about us. So like, you guys changed my life, and I hear that every single day. There's nothing gross about feet. They are inside the shoes all day. They don't wipe anybody's butt. So they are the best. Talk about hands, it's another department. I don't like hands.